How to recover deleted pictures in Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is open up your gallery application. Now if I delete this photo, tap on the delete icon. Now tap on delete. Now to recover it, go to the albums. Now scroll down. On the last option, simply tap on recently deleted. Now tap on the pictures. Now click on restore. Now tap on restore. Now the next method is go back to the home screen. Now open up Google File Manager. Now tap on the three lines. Now tap on trace. Now select the photo you want to recover. Now tap on restore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.